Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Gladia. Into this video, I will be showing you how I make eggplant toborgee. If you live somewhere far and don't have access to the African store to get kitile available, this video is for you. Or if you do have access to the African store but you want to try something different, I highly recommend this video. When my daughter was done eating, all she said was, that was good. So you already know this video is about to be good. I'm super excited. Let's get started right now. So in this pot, I have chicken feet, bony, and shrimp. You don't have to use this. You can use anything you have. Next, I'm going to add some habanero peppers and some onions, and also garlic. You can blend your peppers and onions if you want to. Next, I'm going to add some seasonings, and you can use any kind of seasonings you have. I'm adding some water, and I'm going to let this steam for 18 to 25 minutes. Once it's done steaming, I'm going to remove the meat and the broth from the pot. I'm going to add some palm oil. You can use toborgee oil or you can use regular oil. I recommend toborgee oil. I already diced the eggplant. I recommend dicing it around this size, but you can dice it bigger if you want to. I sprinkle a little salt and I'm also adding some water to it. I'm going to wash it, squeeze it really well, and transfer it to a different bowl. I'm going to repeat this process 3 times. I used 6 eggplant, but you can use more or less depending on the serving size. I'm adding the eggplant to the oil. I'm also going to sprinkle a little baking soda. It's just to help make the eggplant soft. But this is optional. I'm also adding some seasoning. You know, we gotta make the food taste good. The smell of this makes me feel like I'm in some kind of kobo shop in Liberia. It smells so good. I am adding a little bit of kitile just because I have it. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. I promise you it's gonna taste the same. I am adding the broth from the meat. I'm going to add the meat later. I'm going to let this cook till the oil starts to settle at the top. Once the soup starts to look like this, I'm going to add the meat. This is looking so good. It's almost eat time. I mixed the soda with some water and I'm adding it to the soup. You can use country soda or baking soda. When you're adding the soda, you want to make sure the stove is off or on low. I'm going to turn the stove on low and let the soup cook for 5 more minutes. After 5 more minutes, it's eat time, and I cannot wait for you to give this recipe a try because I highly recommend you give it a try. Just one time, please. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and please share this video with everyone you know. And I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.